For the Real Life Science Competition 2016, we chose the topic Myths Busted. This project was made by Sarah Anderson, Chloe Byrne and Louise Collins. We are currently TY students in St Joseph of Cluny. We decided to investigate the myth that skipping breakfast causes weight gain. On the 20th of September 2016, we surveyed our year group of 54 people. We found that 44 out of the 54 people ate breakfast every morning before school. As a result, we found that only 10 out of the 54 did not eat breakfast on school mornings. We further surveyed 10 breakfast skippers and 10 people who ate breakfast to find out what they snacked on regularly throughout the day. The foods we found that they regularly snacked on were the following.
Chocolate bars. This one small bar contains 13.5 grams of fat, 25 grams of sugar and 0.1 gram of salt. This snack is particularly high in sugar, which with repeated consumption can lead to weight gain. Cookies. In only 2 cookies, there is 5.1 grams of fat, 7.6 grams of sugar and 0.1 gram of salt, again making this food high in sugar and also high in fat.
Popcorn. Per 15 grams of popcorn, there are 0.03 grams of sugar, 2.8 grams of fat and 0.34 grams of salt. This made this snack one of the healthier snacks that people were snacking on. Tuck crackers. There's 5.6 grams of fat, 2.9 grams of sugar and 0.7 grams of salt. This makes this set of crackers very high in fat. Breakfast bars. This specific breakfast bar contains 1.5 grams of fat, 17 grams of sugar and 0.24 grams of salt. This makes this breakfast bar quite high in sugar, but it's not as bad as other snacks. We found that breakfast skippers and non-breakfast skippers ate this bar as well. Crisps. There's 7.7 grams of fat, 0.3 grams of sugar and 0.41 grams of salt. This made this product very high in fat. We surveyed 10 people who skip breakfast before school and we found out that 8 out of 10 of them snacked on high-calorie foods throughout the day. We also chose 10 people who ate breakfast at random and asked them the same question. We found that only 3 out of 10 of them snacked on high-calorie foods throughout the day. According to BBC's Dr. Claudia Hammond, she says that the logic goes that missing an early morning meal will leave you hungry for the rest of the day, tempting you to snack on high-calorie foods and resulting in weight gain. In conclusion, we found that skipping breakfast will not lead you to weight gain. We find that it is the unhealthy snacks that you snack on throughout the day that in the long term will lead to weight gain.